have to make a couple. I am required to make a couple announcements. As we have mentioned it in the email prior as well, starting 20th November, the Future Ready Talent Program is adding AI to your learning. By incorporating AI into the FRT program, we are ensuring you are well equipped with today's hiring market that is valuing AI technical skills. If you are to submit your FRT project for the first attempt post 20th November, adding an AI service is a mandatory component along with two other core services. If you are doing a resubmission of your project post 20th November, the AI service component is an optional field. Promotional campaigns, we are running a short time. So this is regarding the t-shirt announcement that we have already mentioned in the email as well. We are running a short, this is a short promotional campaign for the first 1,000 students who submit an FRT project that includes an AI service starting 20th November onwards. The first 1,000 students will win a Microsoft t-shirt as long as they successfully pass their FRT project evaluation, inclusive of an AI service. So you need to add an AI service to your project, and that project needs to be evaluated and then approved. And this will be applicable only to the first 1,000 student submissions. This campaign is open to both project submissions as well as resubmissions. The final decision will rest with the team. We will be continuing our weekly AI mentoring session with a session today on video analysis with our FRT, with our Microsoft trainer, Mr. Ashok Pandey. We will be having these sessions every Wednesday for you to join in and and learn. Ashok has been a certified Microsoft trainer for over 15 years and has been training both students and professionals alike. He has an in-depth knowledge of all Microsoft services. So do make the most of this one-on-one session with him. Meanwhile, while he explains, I request everyone to please be on mute, and we will have a Q&A session at the end of the mentoring session. So over to you, Ashok.
Thank you, Vaishnavi, for introducing myself. And just give me 1 minute. Confirm if you can see my screen. I'm going to share my screen.
Ashok, your voice is echoing a little for me.
Okay.
Can you
Okay.
once?
Okay. Just give me a moment. Maybe because I'm using Bluetooth.
Everyone else is requested to please keep yourself on mute.
Is it good now?
Yeah, it's better. It's better.
Thanks. Okay, thank you. Is my screen visible to you? So it will be
Yes, we
visible
can
to
see.
everyone.
Yes, we can
Okay,
see your
thanks.
screen.
Thanks for confirmation. Welcome, guys, everyone. Today, as you know, that today we are going to learn about the Microsoft video analyzing tool of AI. So, guys, remember that if you want to use this tool, you need to have an account. First of all, you need to have an account. You can use a Microsoft account or you can use your personal accounts. But before you can use this, you have to create your account. So you have to visit to Microsoft video indexer.ai site. So you have to visit to this site. Guys, if you have your account already, it's okay. Otherwise, first of all, make sure you create your account. As you can see that I have my account, so I have logged on to this site successfully. And before I proceed to this, I want to show you. I want to play a video for you, and I want everyone you to watch this video carefully because we are going to use this video for our analyzing. So I will play this video. You can see the timing.
Ashok, while we can see the video, but we are not able to hear the voice, are we expected to hear the sound as well? Ashok, can you hear us?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, Ashok, I'm saying that while we are able to see your video, we're not able to hear the sound. Are we expected to hear the sound as well?
Yeah, actually, this video, just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay, so if there's no sound, then it's fine. But if it has sound, then we're not able to hear the sound.
Okay.
Ashok, just to
I
interrupt,
think while sharing,
while sharing, you have to enable the
enable
audio
the audio.
in the options.
It was not there.
Stop sharing. You just click on stop sharing, and while sharing, there is an option including the audio, including the system audio. When you reshare again, it will show this
But I just share the entire screen.
on the top. On the top, there will be an
Oh,
audio
okay,
enable option,
okay.
including audio.
Share system audio. Okay, 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 okay.
Yeah.
That was on. Yeah. Just right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Now, if you play the
So
video,
now
it will get the
our
audio.
lives in big and small ways. We need to make sure
Yes,
it's for the
it is
benefit
working.
of everyone.
For the first time, we're having machines move into roles that have been the roles of human beings. Might these technologies have inadvertent effects on people and society? Do they align with people's values, their ethics? We needed to think through the implications for our company.
Responsible AI is the approach that we take to developing and deploying our technology, making sure our principles are brought to life and that it empowers everyone and is inclusive and accessible for people. Excellent. The job of the Office of Responsible AI is to put our principles into practice by operationalizing ethics across the company.
The Ether Committee is responsible for deliberating about hard, new questions.
We are sister organizations.
We have to think through what it means to detect bias, make our systems more fair, to detect errors and blind spots in our technologies, and on thinking through the kinds of advice we give to other organizations and to our leaders where technology can impose on privacy and human rights. Responsibility is at the core. We're learning every day about this new role of responsible computing.
We need to translate academic thought to language that our engineers and salespeople are familiar with. Our customers are grappling with many of the same issues. It's incumbent on us to share what we learn.
It's about trying to do better every day, working with our customers and outside agencies to develop processes and deliver responsible computing technologies to the world.
Thank you guys for watching this video because we are going to use this video in this demo for analyzing. So I have logged into my site as you can see, and here you see there is no uploaded video. So if you click on the video, now there is two options, guys, we have. Either you can analyze a video which you have already present in your system, or you can define a URL. You can define the URL from where you want to collect the video. So for the timing, I am going with my location. This video I have played. Now I have my video. I'm going to upload this one, and here you can see there is some options that you need to select. These are like privacy statement that you want. You can select your privacy, whether you want to make it available for public or you want to make it available for private. So you have the options to define your privacy level. Now you want to go for the single bit rate, or you want to go for multi bit rate. It's up to you. So now, as per our demo, we are going with the default settings. So first of all, you have to click on the upload and indexing. Indexing actually requires little bit time. Okay, it takes little bit time to index our video, and during the indexing, it will actually perform a lot of tasks in the background. So if I click on the upload and index, it will take, as you can see, it is going to upload my video. And now I click on close. Now you see this, it is performing the indexing, which may take little bit time. Now, meanwhile, we can discuss something. So we are actually going to discuss about analyzing video. So what is actually this AI video analyzer or indexing? So remember, guys, that when we talk about Microsoft Azure AI video indexer, it's a cloud-based application. Cloud-based applications, which is part of all Azure AI services. It can actually help you to analyze your videos. Microsoft AI video indexer actually uses more than 30 different AI models to analyze your videos and help you to generate insights. It can detect the audio content or the video. Now there are different scenario in which you can use your video indexer. You can use video indexer for deep search. So by using deep search, you can extract your informations of the different informations from the video, like which user or the speaker spoke the word. It can detect the faces. So it can detect the person. It helps you to create your content. So if you want to create a highlighted video, if you want to create a video for your social media, if you want to create a news clip, AI video indexer can help you perform this task very easily. It can also help you content moderations. So if you want to block certain portion of your video, or if you want to send some information about certain portion of the videos to your users, video indexer can help you moderate those content. So you can block the specific scene. It can also help you improve your video's quality. So the index that video indexer will create, you can use those indexes to improve your engagement by recommending or highlighting some of the relevant portion of your scene or out of the video you play or you have indexed. So you can, by using this video indexer, you can recommend your user the most relevant part of the video. You can highlight those. Highlight the user's need. Which portion they are more interested, you can also recommend them. So just thus, I think our indexer has completed. I need to switch back. So 84% is done. Now, you can also use this tool for monetization. So it can help you increase the value of your videos. So there are many tools, like if you want to highlight the specific portion of the video for ad revenues, you can use this one. So video indexer actually extract the insight and those informations can be used to signal to the ad servers. So if you think, guys, that in which scenario video indexer may help you, I hope you can. This will help you to get your answer. So there are different scenarios in which you can use the video indexer tool, which is based on the AI. So you can see our video has been uploaded and it is indexed also. So if you play, it will play the video. Now look at this, guys. We have already,
And the potential of AI to improve our lives in big.
we have already, like I have already played this video and you have already gone through. The same video has been uploaded, and now look at this. What had happened in the background? Look at this. The most important person or the speakers that it has detected. Time frame. Look at this. And look at this, how many object it has detected. Look at the object. So it has detected laptop, chairs, cars, cell phones. Look at this. If I traffic light, you see this clock, you can see. So it has detected different object. And look at the time when it has detected cup. So video analyzer has created this kind of categories, like what it has detected, when it has detected. So the tag is there. The tag is there. So the moment you click here, you can play if you want, and it will play the same video from that particular time frame. Now, how many topic it has created? Look at this. It has created environmentalizations, technology, business, and look at this, audio effect, and the keyword that it has actually created. 727 keywords. And it has also created labels. Now, if you go scroll down to named entities, one people and one brand. Now, it has also detected emotions. Look at the scene. Look at the scene. So when we run that video indexer, it has actually performed these actions in the background, which is done automatically. So as you can see that we have different now. You have different icons here, which you can also use for your settings. Now, if I click on, like it is inside, okay, video indexer has created the inside for us. Now, if we click on the timeline, look at this. So if I play the video from the beginning,
We believe in the potential of AI to improve our lives in big and small ways. We need to make sure it's for the benefit of everyone.
For the first time, we're having machines move into roles that have been the roles of human beings. Might these technologies have inadvertent effects on people and society? Do they align with people's values, their ethics? We needed to think through the implications for our company.
Responsible AI is the approach that we take to developing and deploying our technology, making sure our principles are brought to life and that it empowers everyone and is inclusive and accessible for people.
Excellent.
The job of the Office of Responsible AI is to put our principles into practice by operationalizing ethics across the company.
The Ether Committee is responsible for deliberating about hard, new questions.
We are sister organizations.
if I click here,
We have to think through what it means to detect bias.
Ashok, I'm sorry to interrupt, but the video voice and your voice are getting overlapped.
I understand.
thinking
Sorry.
through-
Thank you.
No worries. Thank you.
Yeah. So if you click here and go to, there are different
The
options
Ether
that
Committee
you
is
can-
responsible for deliberating about hard, new questions.
there are different options available which you can select and check. So currently transcript is selected. Now if I select and speaker, now you see this, we can also check who is actually speaking. Speaker 1, speaker 2, the person who is speaking. So you can see these things also. If you want, you can add other options as per your requirement.
Human beings. Might these technologies have inadvertent effects on people and society? Do they?
There are different options that you can actually view. So if you want to see the emotions, these are the keyboard which we saw here in the keywords. So based on the keywords, you can search your options. Now, again going back to timeline. Now, view. So what you want? So if you want to check your scene or topics, select those and it will show you the options, the different informations you can view here. Now, if you define a time frame, like here you see this, if I go on the index, I have search. Now, if I type, there was a insect somewhere. So just wait.
We believe in the potential of AI to improve our lives in big and small ways.
Look at this. What time? 6 seconds. Okay. Now, right over here, I have a search box. And I say B. Enter. Now, look at this. Look at this. When. Now, what it is asking? Play. I have just typed the keyword here in the search box. I have typed a keyword. And now it has found and saying that at this time I have, and here I have the option to play. So if I play,
We need to make sure it's for the benefit of everyone.
For the first time, we're having machines move into roles that have been the roles of human beings. Might these technologies have inadvertent
I go
effects?
here.
We need to make sure it's for the benefit of everyone.
For the first time,
Big and small ways.
Okay.
We need to make sure it's for the benefit of
actually-
everyone.
for
It
the
will
first
take you to
time,
the
we're
right
having
over there.
machines move into
So if you
roles
want,
that have
you can
been the
use-
roles of human
You can
beings.
use
Might these
your keywords to find a specific scene or the object from your videos with the help of this tool. So if you are not sure that, like you have a large file, a large video file of 2 hours or 3 hours, so it's not easy for anyone to know that at what time specific scene was recorded or where it is, where the frame is. So you have the search button. You have the search button. So if I say clock, now you see this. It's saying at this time. So we can play it. And it will play the only that particular frame. If you want to play it, just
We needed to think through the implications for our company.
it will play the
Responsible AI is the approach that we take to develop
Values, their ethics. We needed to think through the implications. We needed
Look at
to
it.
think
It
through the
is-
implications, align with people's values, their ethics.
Yeah, you see this? It has captured this clock. So 24 seconds. And if I go back here, it can show, it will show you that it is 24 seconds. 24 seconds. So video analyzer tool is helping you to analyze this. Now you can analyze this in a different way also. I have a small file. Now this is a HTML language, as you can see. What I need this informations. I need this information. So if I specify this information over here, then I can play those information right over on my local systems. So I'm going to get these informations from here. Look at this option, embed. If I click here, so it's showing me inside. Currently we are seeing inside. So if I click on the player, it is asking me my video size. So currently my video size is this. So if we want, we can change. We can change. This is my player code. I just copy this one. And here, this is what it is asking. It is asking me to define those informations that I have clicked. Now I just paste it here, right over here. And I need insight. I need insight. Now I am going back to my site, and here I have insight. I am going to copy this option dot code. I copy, and in my Visual Studio I just paste it here. Now I am going to save this one. And I just say rebuild in File Explorer. And I'm going to open this one. Now look at this. Timeline. You can see the captions. If I say B, so can see that B is there, and now here
We need to make sure it's for the benefit of everyone.
For the first time, we're having machine.
We believe in the potential of AI to improve the
I click on this, and you
we
see
need
this.
to make sure it's for the benefit of everyone.
Just right.
For the first time, we're having machine.
Now you will see the B. Just I need to adjust accordingly so that you see
We
this
need to make
B.
sure it's for the benefit. We need to make sure it's for the benefit of lives in big and small ways. We need to make sure it's for the benefit. We need to make sure it's for the benefit of everyone.
For the first,
We need to make sure it's for the benefit.
So you can see that depending on the word keyword you search, it will actually play that particular frame. So guys, this tool can help you in a for like if you have any kind of video and if you want that video to be analyzed faster and more professional way, this is the right tool that we can use to analyze our video, to detect the different characters, people, identify the labels, or if you want to perform some scene segmentations, you can perform, or if you want to perform some sort of short detections, so it can detect the object, or if you want to detect black detection or black frame detections. So Microsoft Video Analyzer AI tool can help us to perform this type of operations. So as we saw that it help us to perform indexing different options. So guys, if you have this tool, now as we saw, video analyzer help us to detect our face. It can actually help you to recognize most over millions of actors, actresses, athletes, or you can say famous politicians. So AI or video analyzer can detect those people's faces as well. More than million peoples, famous peoples. It can also perform some kind of, as we have already seen, scene segmentation, content moderation, label, sentiment. These are the some of the few features of video analyzers. You can create your own model. So we have predefined models that can actually recognize your language. It can also recognize your brands, your most non-celebrities. It can be politicians, sports people, actor, actress, or if you want, you can create your own model. But remember, if you want to go for the celebrity identifications, it requires limited access approval. So we already saw that the insight when we created our indexing, we uploaded our video, we indexed our video, and then it created the insights. We saw those things already. Timelines we saw. Thank you guys. Over to you, ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you, Ashok. Students, we are now open for questions. I would request that whoever has a question raise their hands so that we can ask, uh, so that we can unmute and then ask the question. So if you have any questions, please raise your hand. Students, if you have any question, please raise your hand so that Ashok is here and he will be able to answer your questions. Yes, Siddiq, please unmute yourself and ask the question. Siddiq, can you unmute yourself and ask the question? I looks like okay. Okay, Aditya, can you unmute yourself and ask the question, please?
Yeah, thank you. I just want to ask whether we can also change the content of the video. Like we can replace some 10-second time frame of a video or uh, or like we can
Aditya,
remove that.
we are analyzing the video. we are analyzing the video, we can block, but it's the thing you are talking, it's a different concept. Here we are analyzing the video, the content of the video, and then you can use some other tools to remove those frames.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay. Thank you very much.
All right. Do we have more questions? Aditya, your hand is up still. Do you have more questions to ask?
No, no, no. I'm okay.
All right. Okay, in that case, like if in case we don't have any more questions, we will conclude this session. Thank you everyone. The recording will be made available
Ma'am,
shortly on our
sorry to
YouTube
interrupt.
channel. Yeah.